Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channel here. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to change a button order on a Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, now let's get started to the video. Well guys, here as you can see the button navigations here, you can see the position. If you want to change the button order here, you just have to open the settings page first. And now at the settings, we just have to scroll it down, and if you see the gestures option, you just have to tap it. Now click the navigation mode at the first option, and here you can see the settings button. You just have to tap it. Beside the three button navigations, you just have to tap it, and activate the button for change button order. You just have to tap it, and the positions of the three button navigations, it will be changed here guys. Here the first one, the back button, it's displayed at the left side. But if you change the button order here, the back button, it will be displayed at the right side, like this. Now, if you want to save it, you just have to close the page. And yeah, I think it's enough for today. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.